I just miss being with you, and I thought it'd be really cool if we could make a video of everybody holding hands in a big circle. Now, you might be thinking that's kind of a hard thing to do given that we're all far, far away. And so I'm gonna do it. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to make a really short video, like 5 or 10 seconds, not even that. It's gotta be a vertical video, so your phone has to be this way, okay? And all you're gonna do is you're gonna stand up. No speaking in the video, okay? Just stand. Start with your right hand. Reach out like this, and then reach out like that. And when you reach out, if you turn your head and look, it's gonna work even better. And when I get videos, I'm gonna put it together and you're gonna see it's gonna look like we're at a big circle and we're all holding hands. So at the bottom of this, there's gonna be a link that's gonna tell you where to post it, and I'll put together a video, and then we'll all be holding hands, and then I'll feel better. My heart will be full and I'll be happy. All right? Hope you're doing okay. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Bye. Miss you.